Here. Okay guys, we're trick or cousin.
You seen the remote photo?
Oh, shit.
Ew! What'd you eat for dinner?
I don't know. I think it was tacos. Turn the light on, Avery.
No, no!
Avery, come. We're farting. Avery, turn around. Look up for your phone, that one. You see anything? You took out my weed. Avery, you're sleeping. Yeah. Stop it. But please stop. Avery, show Avery. Avery, you got pranked. Avery, how do you feel about our farts?
Awkward.
How do you feel about the weave?
They're cool.
We got so scared because it looked like there was a bug on this one. Where is it, Hannah? Oh, right there. Avery, get It's right there. Is that actually a bug?
It is like no. It's a real bug.
Wait, it looks like a praying mantis. I'm scared, Avery. I'm so scared. You took out my weave, Avery. You took my weave off me.
Ready? I'm gonna look so good in this.
Okay, put the weave on. Tell me how you feel about Avery's prank. How does she feel?
I feel awesome.
Avery feels awesome.
I got a new do. Everybody's be looking at me.
Rip your weave off, Avery. That's how you feel about the farts, right? Avery feels bad about our farts, but it's okay. And she kept on getting text messages non-stop. Avery, who's texting you? It's your boyfriend.
Oh.
Okay, good. Who is it?
Friends.
Okay,
Our
good.
dog.
There's your weave, Avery. Pick it up. And the Avery, I have an idea. Put the weave on and swing it around.
Which one?
That one with the bug.
Oh, there's a bug.
Where is it? Avery, stop! Wait!
Put it on for you.
Okay, Hannah's really gonna put the wig on, Avery.
Oh my god, she looks like what's that? Annie.
Oh, and with yeah. You look like Annie. Ow! Don't give me that weave. Get the one with the bug on
Ready?
it.
I'm gonna put it. Ready?
Okay, Avery, you do
put
it.
That one on.
You put that weave on. You rock that weave.
I will. That's for you, Liza.
Let me see it. What even is that? Let me see.
Isn't it like...
Is it a bug?
No, it's an insect.
I'm scared, Avery. I think it's a dead bug, though. It looks like a dried bug.
Yes!
Aw. Put it before. Say one last thing, Avery, before you leave. Say peace.
Peace.
Cover the camera.